Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Todoist's Today view effectively, a real game changer for your productivity. First up, access the Today view from the left panel on your Todoist interface. Clicking on Today gives you a snapshot of all tasks due for the day. This helps us because it allows you to focus on what needs to be done immediately, keeping you from getting distracted by future tasks. Now that we've done that, it's time to prioritize tasks. Hover over each task and click on the priority flag to set its level. Prioritizing tasks helps you identify what needs to be done first, ensuring you're always working on the most important things. Next up, let's talk about sorting tasks. Click on the sort icon at the top of the Today view and choose how you want your tasks organized. This helps us because sorting tasks by priority, project, or due time can make your list easier to manage and ensure you don't miss anything crucial. Here's where task sections come into play. To create a section, click on the plus icon and select Add Section. Use sections to group related tasks together. Let me explain why this matters. By grouping tasks, you can create a workflow, making it easier to transition from one task to another and increasing your overall productivity. Finally, use the Quick Add box at the top to add new tasks directly to your Today view. This helps us because it allows you to quickly jot down any tasks that come to mind, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. The reason we do all this is to better manage our time and tasks. By using Todoist's Today view effectively, we're not just keeping track of what we need to do, we're prioritizing, organizing, and streamlining our workflow for maximum productivity. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up our quick guide on using Todoist's Today view effectively. Remember, with a little practice, you'll be a Todoist Today view pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and see you soon.